Okay. Okay, hi, my beautiful people. How are we doing today? Yoga Lena is in the building. Are we in the building? How are we doing today? Let me hope we are well. Let me hope we are doing amazing. Today I come through with 1000% positive energy. Come through, join me. Let us see how today is going to go around. Vibe is in the air. I am here for you. Come through. Let us learn. Let us interact. Let us have all that we need to have with trading. So come through. Let us get started. Let us begin with our trading session with the positivity up in the air today. We go. I'm waiting on you. Today I'm in on time. 3 p.m. We are already live. So come through by 3 p.m. That is Canadian time. So I want you to join in. I want you to tick that such that we all know that by 3 p.m. we are joining in. We are going live with your girl, Lena. All right, let us get straight into it and we see how amazing the day is going to be. Yesterday, I missed you guys so much, but here I am today, fully loaded. Come through. Let us chat, let us interact, let us know how everything is going concerning trading. Okay, let me give you a few minutes to join in as I organize myself right. Having and 400 US dollars is the amount that I am risking. 15 seconds, my time expiry, right? Let's dive into it and see how it's going to be. Okay, alligator indicator, that is the main indicator you can see over there. But we do not always focus on only one thing. The candlestick patterns, as we can see, we see the engulfing candles, okay, taking action in there. Okay, so indicators, candlestick patterns, definitely pure price action. We are having that. So please come through and let us see how everything is going to play out. Jacob tunes in. Hi, my dear Jacob. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. You are my number one person to send in a message. Happy to see you. Excited to see you around. Let us get it started. Okay. I am all positive. I want to see positivity in the chat section. Come through. Today is a day for learning, improving ourselves, becoming a better trader. So let us see. Come through. I am waiting on you. Today we are coming in with new so about positive learning, improving ourselves. Let us dive straight into it and we see how it's going to play out. Okay. This year, PM. So come through in big numbers. Let us learn. trading is something that is improving and changing our lives. So come through, let us learn, become better in our trading, better ourselves, go to the farthest. Okay, so come through. I want to see you guys. Send in a message, chat with me. I want to hear from all of you. Okay, DJ system. Hi, how are you doing? You are my number two. My number two. Today I've come in so early. No complaints, no nothing. I did not want to hear. Today Lena has come in late. Today Lena this. No, 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 no. Today I'm on the dot. All right. Come through. Let us get into it and we see. I need to see your messages in the chat section about trading questions. I want to see questions. I want to see interactions. I want to see, let us get involved. Let us get involved in this session. Okay. Beautiful vibes. Come through. I want to hear from you. I want to hear from you. For those that are joining in for the very first time, you're most welcome. You are most welcome. Do not hesitate to like and subscribe. Let us keep it big. We keep it growing. We keep it big. A very, very big audience for me is what my payment is. Okay, that is the gift that I get from you people. So do not hesitate to like and subscribe. Let me have it growing. Okay. As we can see over here, the chat is already active. We are already cashing out. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Look at that. Okay. Okay, that is Raji Ravira Ravi. I think that's okay. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are well. Oh, how come it must be active? I'm going to request you kindly try again, because at the end of the day, I put it there for us to help us such that you are free to talk to Lena. I chat with you. We know how everything is going. We know how it is going. And for any questions, please that I for the Telegram link, I put it there such that you subscribe to it, you talk to me, we know how everything is going. For some questions, for the donations, it's open to us all. Okay, so please, sorry about that, but I'm going to request you that you try it again and then we'll see. Okay. Jose, hi Jose, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Excited to see you around. Okay, for my beautiful people that are tuning in, people are getting ready. People are getting ready. Please come through, come through. I want to hear from you. I want to chat with you. I want to interact with you. Come, let us see how to do better in trading. Okay. That is Saya over there. Hi, my dear one. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are well. Happy to have you come through. Okay, someone is checking up on us. Hi, how are you? That is Belly. How are you? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Let us see with our cell position over here. Are we in the right direction? Today, I want to talk about something. Okay, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. We have a class here. Today, I want to talk about something. Please come through. Thank you, my darling. Thank you so much. I will request that you like and subscribe as well, such that each and every single day we are here together at 3 p.m. Canadian time. That will be our very time that the sessions always begin. Okay, my life is gone. Okay, that's a very interesting name. It's very interesting. But thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Okay, let's go. Are we in the bullish? Okay, so we are going to talk about something small. I'm just waiting for people to come through to gather in such that we learn. It's something small, but you never know, it might improve our trading. Okay, so day in, day out, what I'm going to embark on is that every day for the session, more so for the first hour, like I say, it's for personal trading. I'm going to be definitely trading here, but going have talking about something, of course, about trading, anything about trading. I will be coming up, I will be having something to talk about each and every single day. So I want us at least to learn something whenever we come for the session. We go away with some added knowledge. Okay, we keep saying that having the knowledge is very important. So let us start having it. When I teach you something or when we learn something here, however small it is, just imagine if we go with that for a whole year. Today we learn something, tomorrow we learn something, the other day we learn something. That simply means we are going to grow so fast in our trading journey. All right. So I will be requesting you that at least let us come through and in the chat section, let us be active. If we are to talk about, let me give an example, maybe some strategies that we are using or the indicators that we are using or how are we supposed to use certain things or how are we supposed to do certain things in trade. Let us learn, let us go back. Okay, let us go back in our free time. Add on to what Lena said. Trading will become very easy for you. I promise you that. Okay. Okay, that is Bimva. Hi, how are you? Hope you're doing okay. Happy to see you once again for another session. So excited to see you around. Is anyone else a beginner? Ask them, ask them, ask them. Bimva is asking for any beginners. Please come through. Let us see how we grow together in our trading. journey. We said by the end, oof, I made a loss over here. I made a loss over here, but we keep it positive, we keep going. Okay, so for anyone who is a beginner, let us move this journey together. Let us improve ourselves together. Let us be better together. Okay, Bimva is excited to be here. I'm also excited to see you come through. I'm also excited. Thank you so much. Okay, over there, that is okay, Sardine, all the way from Malaysia. Hi, how are you? How are you people doing? How is everything over that side? Big up to people from Malaysia, and definitely I would love to know where each and every one of us is coming from. We have someone from Malaysia. Let me know where you are tuning in from. Let me know where you are watching from. Let me know where you have joined in from. Let us chat. Feel free, feel free. This is a trading space. Whenever I'm here on my end, I love being free. I love feeling I'm always excited to be here. So the fact that I am among traders, I'm seeing the beginners, and definitely we must be having other people who have been in this for some time. So the fact that we are in the space for traders, let us be happy about it. Let us be excited about it. Let us talk about trading. Let us exhaust everything about trading. Okay, so I want to hear from you. Where are we tuning in from? Where are we? Okay, let us see. Okay, Bernard over there. Hi, how are you, my dear one? Hope you are well. Happy to see you coming. Happy to see you coming through. All right. Okay, so I'm seeing Mr. Goldstone is asking about my 88%. This is VIP. VIP, that's why you are seeing it at 88. Okay, that's it. Okay, so let me see. As we continue, I want to hear from you guys. I want to know how you're doing, how everything is going on that side. What's new? Tell me far, how far in our trading. We definitely must be somewhere because we started off this year saying that we must learn each and every single day. We must improve each and every single day. So, how far have we gone? What's new? Let me know how everything is going that side. Okay. Okay. Okay, that is Mr. Goldstone. Okay, so that is basically the reason as to why. Okay, but thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Happy to have you around. For anyone who is watching, who is tuning in, and you have not liked and subscribed, please, we are going to be having good and amazing stuff here each and every single day. We are going to be learning at least something new, something interesting about trading. So like and subscribe. Make sure that you are present each and every single day. We go through the session together, we learn together, we improve ourselves together. You see the wins that are always coming through. So I always wish that for you as well. Okay. I want you to improve in your trading. The fact that you see that this is a session, an education session, that simply means learning is involved. Okay, we learn, we improve ourselves, we become better. Why not? Why not? Okay, I am saying that is vibes. Okay, thank you for sticking around, Jacqueline Dawn. Hi, how are you? Hope you're well. Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for sticking around. Okay, all right. So I want to see you guys come through. Want to see you guys come through. For those that are already present, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. Okay, so let me talk about something small, like I had promised earlier. I just wanted a few more people, or actually a lot of people to come through, such that we learn together, we improve ourselves together. You know, there are certain things that we look at and we are like, okay, I knew that, but probably maybe let me stretch out here and become better. Okay, so first of all, this is a pocket option platform, all right, and then binary options trading. Okay, whenever we look at the OTC, let us just have it in our minds that we are dealing with an open market. Okay, an open market that gives us the room, that gives us the opportunity to trade whenever we want, whenever we can, whenever we have the ability to. Okay, so it does not restrict us. That is the beauty about it. Okay, so definitely when we talk about a pocket option, the link is in my bio. If you also want to have a pocket options account for yourself, please click on it. Joining is very, very easy. All right. So that is one. Then when we talk about binary options trading, we basically talk about smaller time frames. By smaller time frames, I mean 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, like that. Okay, that is when we talk about scalping. I mean, when we talk about binary options trading, we basically talk about smaller time frames. So for me, let me talk about that. Okay. When we talk about smaller time frames, that is basically scalping. Let us give it. Let us put it in that bracket that scalping, which is actually definitely scalping. Okay, let me first have this. Okay, so I am saying the people that have come through. Okay, Bimba over there, I see you. Thank you very much. Okay, vibes. Yes, I'm getting there. Jacob, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, Bimba again. Blessing comes through. Hi, Blessing. How are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, so Jacob, yes. I'm using default settings for the MACD and the alligator indicator. Okay, so hope we are on the same page there. Okay, all right. So we are looking at the trading techniques. Whenever I talk about scalping, that is what should come in your mind. Okay, so why scalping? Why use smaller time frames? Okay, that when we think of a scalping, like I said, let us look at 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, like that. So let me try to explain this in a simpler way, and we see how to go about it. Okay, so let's say we are analyzing the market and we decide to trade for an hour. I'm giving an example. Okay, we open a trade for, okay, here it is 400 US dollars. Okay, our forecast is correct and we have earned, we have multiplied the money that we put in. That is for 1 hour. But what if the forecast is wrong and we've made a loss in the 1 hour that we have been waiting for for the trade to close? Okay, so I'm giving us that okay, for us as scalpers, we do not really have that whole 1 hour sitting down waiting for the trade to close. But this is what we can do. If I decide to trade 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 1 minute, or even 2 minutes, have you imagined how many trades I will have opened in that 1 hour? Okay, so I'm trying to show you how helpful scalping could be, how it could save us waiting for a full hour for a trade to close, which could be in a loss or in a win. Remember, in binary options trading, we are looking at a win or a loss. Okay, it's not like it's not something where we are going to say we are putting a stop loss. We have a stop loss or stop loss take profit, or we have a lot of settings taking place. Okay, so here we are looking at we are winning or we are losing. But how do we prevent that? We can prevent that uh, by having the smaller trades, by the smaller trades, and then we save time. In that 1 hour, trust me, if you are to make losses, at least you will have made profits as well. All right. So that is the one thing that at least I want you to look into and see if it works for you, if it's better for you. But as Lena over here, it has worked for me. It has really, really done wonders for me. Okay, so you could try it out. I know whenever we talk about binary options trading or the smaller time frames, we are looking at the higher risks. Fine, it is risky. But then there are certain things that we have to look into, that we have to make sure that at least we improve, we make better, okay? We make better, we do better. That is by having the knowledge, that is by finding a way of learning certain things and how to use them. Okay, so the other thing that I wanted to talk about today, we are going to talk about two things, that is scalping and probability trading. Okay, so whenever we talk about probability trading, what do we mean? Okay, just give me a second. I organize something here. Okay, so when I talk about probability trading, this is what I mean. I do not want anyone to get confused, anyone to feel left out. Okay, so to tell you that we cannot predict 100%. We cannot predict the market 100%. Okay, we cannot. That is the truth, because we know first of all that the market is unpredictable. That we know. So we cannot put ourselves in the position of saying we can predict the market 100%. So what do we do? We can only increase our chances of success by using the strategies. Okay, when we talk about the strategies, you know, the price action, support and resistance, there are a number of them. Okay, so by using strategies, we use the indicators like you see on the chart here, that is the alligator indicator, the MACD indicator, RSI indicator, fracture indicator. There are a number of them, zigzag, all that. So we use the strategies, the indicators, and the candlestick patterns. Okay, we need to take time. We learn about these candlestick patterns. How do they work? How do I use them? How do I interpret these candlestick patterns? Okay, so we have the strategies, the indicators, the candlestick patterns, and then a combination of factors. By the factors, we are looking at that is the risk management. We are looking at the patience, the discipline, and all those other factors that can help us to work hand in hand with the strategies, the indicators, the candlestick patterns, for us to better ourselves. Okay, so when we sit down and we say we are just going to predict the market, what are we looking at? So we are looking at 50-50. Remember, we are looking at a win or a loss. That is the initial knowledge that we have. You're looking at win or a loss. And when we talk about that, that simply means for a win, we are looking at 50%. For a loss, we are looking at 50%. Okay? But when we have the knowledge of the strategies, the indicators, the candlestick patterns, and a combination of all those other factors that I've been talking about, okay, that increases us to a certain percentage. Remember, we were at 50-50. When we have the knowledge of all those that I've talked about, definitely we push up to 70% to 30%. 70% being profitability and then 30% the loss, because I cannot say that for us we are so perfect in trading that we cannot make losses. The other smaller thing that I want to tell you is that the main thing is not to panic. Whenever we are trading, we should not panic. When you make a loss, do not panic. Do not feel like that is the end of the world, okay? But you have to carefully apply the knowledge that you have learned carefully. Do not panic, because the moment you start panicking, that is where everything starts going wrong. That's where everything starts going wrong. So let us have that knowledge. Let us improve ourselves slowly by slowly, and then we see how to get to where we want to be. Okay, so that will be that for today, and then we shall continue each and every single day. We shall talk about something, however small it is. We talk about it and we do not leave anything behind. Okay, so know about the the probabilities trading, and then of course, when we talk about scalping, what are we looking at? What do we need to do? That is the knowledge that we need as we continue as traders. By the end of the year, I want each and every one of us, I've given us a long time. It is a long stretch, okay? So I want us by the end of the year to be people who sit down, who can trade on our own, who come for the sessions over here, and we are like, oh my goodness, Lena, right over there, we need to place in a buy, we need to place in a sell trade. The market is going crazy. The market is this. I want us to have those beautiful conversations during trading, such that trading becomes more interesting, it becomes more easier, it becomes more, involving. Let us do that, okay? Let us do that, and definitely each and every single day, I would love to know if we are growing, if we are becoming better, if we are enjoying what we are in or what we signed up for. Okay, so just a few minutes for me. I organize my donations here such that we dive straight into donations. For the people that keep sending in your donations, I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay. Thank you very much. Let us keep it up. Let us keep coming through, checking in, liking, and subscribing. Let us see how each and everything has to go about. Okay. Okay. That is Omar over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Okay, vibes over there. Yes, let us learn a little small, but the most important thing is for as long as we are learning something, So with the donations, we are ready to dive straight into it. Okay, Jose, thank you so much. Thank you so much for those that have not yet liked and subscribed. Please do so. Let us keep it here. We keep sharing, we keep growing ourselves, we keep becoming better. And definitely, if you have something, if you want to share something, the platform is free for all of us. Okay, come through, talk about something, say something. That is what I want. I want people to be engaged, I want people to be involved. This is our trading time, all right? Our trading time, so we should feel happy with. Okay, Natasha girl, I see you over there. Okay, you are welcome. You are welcome. Day in, day out, let us share a few here and there. We shall get to where we want to be. Okay, Bernard over there, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so we are in for our donations. Let us see how today is going to play about. Definitely, I will be so excited to see you each and every single day. I will be so excited. Okay. So over there on your screen, that is my first list for the donations. For the people who send in your donations, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Thank you for trusting me. It's really a pleasure to be of service to you. Okay. Okay, Bimba is interested in this. So for this, you go in my YouTube bio. The donations link is over there, and it's the first link that you will see. Click on it. It will take you straight to the steps. Okay, we first go through the terms and conditions because first I want you to understand exactly what you are going into. Okay, so you go through the terms and conditions, then the other steps are quite very easy to understand. Okay, your name, the amount you're sending in, minimum amount for the donations that I receive is 350 US dollars. That is the minimum. Okay, after that, tell me how many times do you want me to multiply your money, or do you want me to trade the money that you have sent in? And the last one is your crypto wallet. Very important because after I win, after I make for you your amazing money, I transfer the profits to your wallet. Make me feel okay. Let's go. Fire of the lights, you make me feel okay. Nail over here, 350 US dollars. 4 items. Okay, we get straight into it. Whether we are positive today, we are believing to cash out a lot of profits. Make me feel Obama, hi Obama, how are you? You are so lost. Where did you disappear to? Where did you disappear to? Happy to see you come through. Happy to see you come through. By the time you joined in, we are already into the donations session. Okay. Okay, what's your commission on the profit? Okay, my dear one, let me explain that to you. By the way, I really, most of the times, I don't explain that, but here is where my profit is, or my commission. So whenever I trade for you, you make your profits. I transfer everything to you. What do I get in return? The fact that you are trusting me to send me your donations, I trade for you, that is already a plus. Okay, so that, and my main goal is for me to grow my audience. That is where my commission is, right? I grow my audience. People are trusting me with their money. People are trusting me to trade for them. That is already commission enough for me. So that's why I keep requesting you to like and subscribe such that I grow. Okay, my channel grows, you people keep coming through, we keep moving together. That is my commission, my darling. Okay, so wherever you are tuning in, and you look at that. Okay, and you have not yet liked and subscribed, please do so. Let's go. Okay, so we have 3 more items to go. All the way from India. Hi, how are you doing? How are you doing? That is Rupes. How are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Shout out to the people of India. I send you all greetings. We go for okay. Trend 01, day in, day out. Please like and subscribe. Day in, day out, we are going to be learning one thing after another. So, like and subscribe. Keep it here every single day, 3 p.m. Canadian time. Do not get confused. So, with that time, always come through. We learn something small, but we have learned something. Each and every single day, we learn something small. When that is multiplied, when that keeps on going, please, it becomes amazing information. So let us go. All right. Mozilla, all the way from South Africa. People from South Africa, where are you? How are you doing? You are well represented by Mozilla over here. Please, if I mention your name wrongly, just know it's all from a place of love. All right, do not feel bad about it. Okay, so greetings to each and every one of your people outside. Excited to have people from South Africa in the building. Okay. India is well represented, Malaysia is represented. I want to know where people are coming from, where people are tuning in from, where are you tuning in from? Do not forget, 3 p.m. That is Canadian time. We should be here tuning in, ready to learn and ready to roll. Let's go. Ooh, okay. Let's go. Okay. People from Canada, where are we? Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We are represented in and out. Thank you for coming through. That is Mike. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Okay, drop. That is a drop ship. That is drop ship girl. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Let's go, let's go. All right. We are keeping it positive. Let us keep it rolling. Okay. And there we go. There we go. Congratulations to Neil. Neil over here as our first person that we have traded for, and we have a plus. We have profits over here. All the way from South Africa. Why not? Okay. It has to get easier. It has to get easier, I'm telling you. Trading can be so exciting. It can be so exciting if we know what we are doing. So, what is the solution to that? Let us learn day in, day out. Let us learn. Okay. People from South Africa, I love you guys so much. This is for you. Okay. All right. I will not lie, I didn't know the words well, but I love this song so much. One thing I know is that they mean taking a photo. That is what I know. That is what I know. But the vibe, South African people have a vibe. That is one thing I know about them. Okay. People from Canada, you are well represented by Mike in the building. All right. Okay. Okay. Okay, as I withdraw for nail. I'm telling you, Bernard over there, it is. Look at the legend himself, all the way from Nigeria. Hi, how are you doing? People are being well represented. People from Nigeria, how are you doing? Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Okay. Look at that. Let's go. Let us keep the positivity in the air. You know, the positivity, the energy, that is all we come out for. Let's go. That is to the wallet for Neil. Congratulations. Okay, so next we have Orlando in the building. Orlando, 1,000 US dollars, 3 items. I'm not so sure, but I believe also the people from Tanzania are being represented. Okay, let's see. Mm-mm. Okay. Okay, look at that. Look at that. And there we have our first, our very, very first plus. Let's go. Okay. Okay, that is Mboma. Mboma Strike. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Let's go. Let's have it. Jacqueline is asking who else is stuck here. We are stuck together. We are stuck together. So let me see. That is for our second attempt. Let us see how it's going to go down. Okay. Yakta over there, I see you. Look at our second attempt and we have a plus. Let's go. Alright. A slow but sure. That is the one thing that we should keep in mind. Okay. We from we from we go for our last attempt. Look at that. Yes, sir. Okay, let's go. I'm telling you today, no hesitation. Profitability all the way. Molindwa joins in. Hi, how are you, my dear one? Hope you are well. Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. It has been a while. Hope you are well. Slow but sure, slow but sure. Let us get back on our feet. Okay. Way from I told you I do not know how to sing, but I love music. I love music, so if you are not hearing the words coming out of my mouth, just know inside me I'm saying the right words. Okay, let's go, let's go. Orlando goes away with a plus. Orlando goes away with a profits. Congratulations. CEO. Okay, I'm saying CEO boss. Are you ignoring my question? My dear one, I must have missed that one. Please, I'm going to request you to resend it. I cannot ignore your question. Please resend it. I would gladly love to respond to it. May follow. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are amazing. Thank you for coming through. Brian over there, I see you. Okay. Oh dear. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. That is Slu. I think she's ignoring some questions. My dear one, if I've not responded to a question or something, probably maybe I just missed it. Okay, so please pardon me on that. I would love so much to respond to each and every one of you, but at times that happens more so when we are in our second hour of the donations. I have to concentrate so much on the donations such that I make profits for people, right? So sorry about that. I do not want to ignore anyone. Okay, I'm saying IT consult. Wallet name, please. For the wallet names, I believe everyone. Uh, we have the Tether, we have Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, so you could be having any of those. Okay. That is a Wednesday. Okay, I have withdrawn. Okay, wild folk. That is 350 US dollars. Take profit. We are looking at 4K. Okay. Bess, I see you. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. Chigozi, that is Arinza still. Okay, so we are already into it. Let us get started. Today we are all cashing our profits. Beautiful. So that is for our first attempt. Let us see. Don Austin, hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Thank you for coming through. Buy position over here. I am actually trading with Jacqueline Don. Let me see. Thank you for your contribution, my darling. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay. So we are already at 1K, but remember we are taking out 4K. Okay, Lucas is saying something. Okay, I'm going to check it out. I'm going to check it out. He's saying something about the Telegram. I'm going to check it out, my dear. Thank you. Thank you for the updates. I'm going to check it out and I see what's up. This love is real. Okay, so do not forget to like and subscribe for those that have not yet. Please like and subscribe. Let us keep it going. We keep it growing. We expand our audience. Let it become an amazing space for us to trade, to learn, to understand everything there is in trading. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. I am seeing a new subscription over there. Thank you. I think it's SIU. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't want to say something wrong and my amazing person gets annoyed. But thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. Wayne, hello, my dear. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Here we are. Okay, CEO boss. For the indicators, that is the alligator indicator and the MACD indicator, both set at default. So, right. What is making you laugh? What is making you laugh? That is for Bernard over there. Share with us. We also want to be in it. We want to laugh, we want to enjoy it together. Mhm. Okay. Yeah. Okay. The chat is fun. I'm telling you, it's you, my amazing people, that make it fun. So please, I do really, really appreciate you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And trust me, you are my G's. You are my guys over here. So thank you very much. Thank you for being active. Thank you for sticking around. I'm really, really so grateful. Okay, I dedicate my time always to this session, to you, my people. Thank you so much. Jacqueline over there, I got you. I got you. We are here together. You are stuck with me. You're not going anywhere. Okay. You are my guy. Thank you, vibes. Thank you very much, my dear. That is a mark. Thank you. Thank you for the compliment. Thank you so much. Danny over there, hi, how are you doing? I'm seeing you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Okay, winner. I'm so happy to have you. You are most welcome. You are well received. All right. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Winner, I want to see you here each and every single day at 3 p.m. Canadian time. Let us all check in at that time. Okay. Let us continue. All right. Look at that. Look at that. Our goal is 4K. Eric, all the way from Zambia. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. How are people doing over that side? Greetings, greetings to each and every one of them. And if you are here and you are all the way from Zambia, check in, check in, check in. I would love to know how you are doing. Okay, that is a free community. Let me just read that. Okay, what time frame are you trading? That is 15 seconds for the candle. That is 5 seconds. All right. Okay, CEO boss, look at that. We wanted 4K. And here we are. Here we are. Congratulations. That is for Wild Folk. Okay. I was responding to someone that is CEO boss. So that is 5 seconds for the candle. Then for the entry time, that is 15 seconds. Okay. Okay. Ethereum wallet. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. That is a win for us, and we are happy about it. So let us keep it going. We keep it going. The Penta, that is 700 US dollars, 3 atoms. Okay, CEO boss. Thank you so much for the blessings back to you as well. Okay, winner over here. So I'm going to request you that you always come in early. That's why I requested you to like and subscribe. Come in early. You will definitely be for the settings, how we do the setup for the chat. You will be having all that. Okay, you learn how to set up Then, each and every single session that we have at this, we learn something. We learn something. So by the end of it all, at least you will have learned something for yourself. Okay, and how many seconds in the candle? That is 5 seconds. Okay, winner over here, if you are to trade for yourself, was it you or someone else who talked about the demo account? If you are to start on the real trading, do not start by putting in a lot. Okay, you can have money on your account, whatever amount you want to have, but do not trade or do not risk a lot of money. Let me see if you have $100 on your account. Use percentage way of trading. Have that 100 US dollars. Since you are just going on to the real account, use percentages. Start with 2%. Do not risk a lot, okay? Don't risk a lot. Start with 2%, 5%, 10%, still like that. You will keep growing and you keep becoming comfortable, okay? In your trading. There you can keep improving, you can keep increasing. Okay, beautiful. So we are into Penta. Bimva is asking, does this always work? My dear one, trading, like I said earlier on, trading is unpredictable. Very, very unpredictable. You cannot know when you're going to have a loss, you cannot know when you're going to have a win. But like I said earlier, having that knowledge that I talked about, the strategies, the indicators, other factors in trading, the candlestick patterns, it helps you a lot to place in trades correctly. Okay, so a loss is very possible, a profit is very possible. That's why for the people that keep sending in donations, I talk to them, I tell them to know about risk management. Do not send in something that is your last saving. Do not send in something that you are willing to lose, just in case a loss has come. All right. I do not encourage anyone to send me their last savings on their accounts. Send in something that you are willing to lose, because if it has worked out and we are at pluses, profits, and all that, it happens. But there are also times when we are like, oh my God, it couldn't have gone like that. It would have been better. It would have not, would have cashed out profits and all that. So risk management, very, very important. Okay. That is okay. Let me see. Bimba, I've responded to you. That is Mashi. Beautiful. That is our first attempt. Two more to go. Okay. Marshall, hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Okay, so you are interested in learning. I'm going to request you to like and subscribe. such that each and every single day, 3 p.m. Canadian time, you're present for our sessions. We learn, we improve ourselves. The main goal is for us to become better traders. Okay, so like and subscribe, 3 p.m. Canadian time. Make sure that you check in because every single day for the first hour at least we make sure that we learn something. Okay, so join in each and every single day. I'm live every single day. Okay, you are most welcome. Okay. People from Jamaica, I have not seen you. Where are you today? I have not heard from you, my beautiful people. You know, I keep saying that is one of the countries that I so very much want to get to. Look at that. Look at that. People that side have some vibe that is on another level. You know, their vibe is on another level. And I already have someone who is willing to take me around. I am going to have a free um, what is it called? A free tour in the different places that I want to go and visit in Jamaica. So that is already a tick on my checklist. Okay, one more attempt to go. Okay, we get ready to go into the last attempt. Okay. Okay, we go in for our last attempt. Beautiful. Okay, so that is our last attempt for Penta. Congratulations, my dear one. I remember the last time you sent in your donation, things did not turn out so well, but today we are at a plus. So, congratulations to you. Lisa over there with Tether Wallet. Okay, a pocket a trader. Hi, how are you? Thank you for coming through. Okay, Bimva, when I'm having my the donations, I really can't explain so much. Okay, because I'm trying to focus, I'm trying to make some profits for people. So I'm going to beg you that maybe I give you more explanation tomorrow. I'm just begging, okay? Okay, that is Alexander 1,200 USD 2 items. Okay, Lucas is saying I had a comment up there. Oh my dear one, I think I missed it. How did I miss that? Okay, a bye for us over here. That is for Alexander. Look at that. One more item to go. Thank you. Thank you. That is a pocket trader. Thank you so much. All right. Right now, we are into donations time. So, what you see down here as the amount, that is the money that someone has sent in for me to trade for them. Okay. Someone sends in 1,200 US dollars, someone sends in 300 50 US dollars, like that. So the money that you see down there, that is someone's money that I am trading for them. Okay, so we go for our last attempt. Okay. What do you So sorry, on our last attempt, I made a loss. That is for Alexander. So sorry about that. Okay, next we are having Catherine. 600 US dollars, 3 items. Okay, so I'm going to be putting the list on your chat because with my donations I make sure that we all move on the same page. Oh, so sorry, that is for Alexander. So sorry. In our second attempt we have made a loss. Thank you, Natasha. Thank you, Natasha. Okay, that is John. Can I make a donation now? My dear, if you are to make a donation right now, I will be trading that tomorrow, right? Because the list is still long and we are already running out of time. So that can be worked on tomorrow. But you could send in such that you are among the first people on the list. Okay, so let us see. For that is for Catherine, 3 atoms. Are we good? Yes. Beautiful. Okay, are we getting ready? We get ready. We get started. Everyone else in the room could say yeah. Yes, me all. Okay. Vibes. I'm afraid of losses. Oh dear one. In trading or even in our day-to-day lives, losses are always there. Okay. Losses are always there. One thing we should not, one thing that we should make sure that we work on is avoid panic. Involves so much risk management, but I cannot tell you that losses will not be there. I do not want to be a liar, okay? Losses will definitely be there, but how do we minimize them is the question, okay? We have to minimize them and then we go ahead. Because you're going to tell me that you're going to trade and all the time you're going to be cashing in profits, cashing in profits, you know. Okay, Lucas, have you ever experienced what Megabyte is saying? Let me see. What is Megabyte saying? Okay. As we proceed, we have two more items to go. Let me check for Megabyte here. Buy position. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So that is our second attempt. One more attempt to go. Okay, so Lucas, no, I have been using pocket option. I've been using pocket option and I have not experienced, that. I have not. Maybe I'll look into details into it, but I've not. I've not really. Otherwise, I wouldn't be encouraging people to use it. I wouldn't be using it myself. All right. Okay. So, oof, oh dear. Oh dear. On our third attempt for Catherine, we have made a loss. So sorry about that. Okay. Harry, market closed. Okay, so I trade an open market. I trade OTC. Okay, by OTC, that is over the counter. Definitely, I'm trading an open market. So day in, day out, the market is open for me to trade. Okay, Filka. Yes, gold OTC is open. And as I said earlier, the broker is pocket option. Okay, right. We are in for our first win, that is for Sol. That simply means we have 3 more attempts to go. Okay, Emmanuel over there, I see you. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are amazing. Then we have Lynn, all the way from Brazil. How are you doing? How is everyone that side doing? Okay, Brazil in the area. We appreciate you. We appreciate you. Big up to you and big up to all the people from Brazil. Okay. Alright, Ahmed over there. I'm Muslim. Let me do my very best. Okay, I'm a Muslim. Assalamu alaikum. Alaikum assalam. Wa alaikum assalam wa barakat. I didn't know let me that's how it's said. But thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Happy to have you around. Hope all is well with you over that side. Where are you joining in from? Let's go. Remember, we are taking it for 4 attempts. So we are in for our third attempt. Paradise. Okay. Okay. One more to go. Bring me paradise. Let's go. Our last attempt. We need to catch our profits. Look at that. Twice. Paradise. Okay. You need paradise. Okay. Congratulations to you. So, and allow me thank you so much for always sending in your donations. I really do appreciate you. I appreciate you so much. Mm, okay, all right, John, that's okay. I will definitely receive the message. The website we are having. Okay, that is Kendrick, 800 US dollars, 2 items. Pocket option, let's go. That is the platform that we are using. You need paradise. Look at someone all the way from Pakistan. To my beautiful and amazing people from Pakistan, you're most welcome. Well represented. That is by Hussein. Thank you so much for coming through. I will request you to like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Let us keep it here. I want to see more people come through from all the way from join in all the way from Pakistan, Brazil, look at that, Malaysia, India, Nigeria, South Africa. Thank you so much for those that have shared where they are joining in from. I would love to know more where people are joining in from. So please, day in, day out, let us know, let us share such that whenever we see Hussein, we know Hussein is all the way from Pakistan. Okay, ooh, oh dear darling Lord. So sorry about that. That is for Kendrick on our second attempt. We have made a loss. Sorry about that. Lily, 350 US dollars, three items. I just want you back again. Want you back again. You'll be right. Okay, Hussein. So about the indicators, right now, since I'm about to close, I might not give you all the full details that we need to know about these two amazing indicators. Allow me to request you that tomorrow join in a little early. It's just a humble request. Join in a little early. The first hour of the session is always about these beautiful and amazing questions where I have all the time to respond to them. I tell you about the indicators, how they are used, any question that you have. So I'm going to request you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Canadian time. Come through, tune in. That starts with a liking and a subscription. Like and subscribe. Okay. And then definitely from there, we shall be able to learn together. In that first hour, we learn a lot. Any question that you ask me, I have all the time to respond to it. But now the challenge right about now is that I'm into donation. I'm trying to beat time, so I must not give you the full attention that you need for that explanation. Okay, so let us do that tomorrow. Okay, CEO, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Okay, so that is our first pass. That is for Lily, meaning we have two more items to go. Okay, CEO, you are so amazing. Thank you so much. Jamusala, hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. Thank you for coming through. Zahir, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. Thank you for coming through. Okay, I'm saying happy Easter. Definitely, definitely, we are going to enjoy it. Okay, happy Easter to each and every one of us. Please let us be so kind and we invite each and everyone where you can invite us. Let us come and enjoy with you, right? Okay. But otherwise, I wish you an amazing, amazing Easter. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. That is all for Lily. One more item to go. That is Jane Paul. I want to donate your stream live. Okay, so if you want to donate, please go in my YouTube bio. You'll find the donations link over there. Please follow the steps as they go. Each detail that I've asked for, please fill it in. Then the minimum amount is 350 US dollars. That is the minimum that you can send in. I see. Oh goodness. Lily has also made a loss. How can I close my session with a loss? That's not nice. That's not nice. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, for today. That is it for today. You people are so amazing. You've been so amazing. And let us please be here tomorrow, same time, 3 p.m. Canadian time. I will be waiting on you. Come through and definitely come with someone. Have a lovely day, have a lovely evening, night, morning, depending on your time zone where you are tuning in from. Bye bye. I see, I try. Okay, the platform is a pocket option.